Welcome guys. On this video I'm going to show you how to download any video on the internet making use of this software. Now before I show you, let me show you guys how it works. Now open just about any website, and whenever a video is playing you are going to follow this step. So I'm going to assume this video is currently playing, and you can see the option to download. If you did not see the option, just click on that particular video and then you are going to see the option. So you click on download and then you select the best quality that you want. It's actually going to display you every quality of video that the person actually uploaded. So I'm going to choose this and then I'm going to say download, and it's going to start downloading. So let's do that on a different website. Let's assume BBC. So on BBC News you can click on this and you can already see the options display right here. Click on this and then you select the best format. I am going to choose this one and then I'm going to say download. So you don't necessarily need to have the video playing. You can always close the video while the download starts, and once the download finishes you can click on open and it's going to open the file for you. The video is going to start playing, and if you do not see the file or the video, you can go over to your download area and then you can see the downloads. But if you cannot find it while this is downloading, no, let's go ahead, click on the drop down this arrow button, right click on this area, and then you are going to say the application is already open anyway. So when you double click on it, it's going to open, and this is the one that is currently downloading. This is the ones that I've already completed. So when you click on it, you can actually right click and then you can say open folder, and then it's going to open the folder where all of the download is located. Now these are all the downloads I have made so far. So all of these download, I can always go ahead and copy them to external file. Now the name of the application that I'm actually using to show you guys how to download is called Internet Download Manager. So this application has been existing for a very long time if you do not know it. This is actually what I use a lot. So click on this to have it open. This is going to open, although there is actually a free method, or rather a free trial for 30 days, and also you can make payments after that. This is going to help you download file folder even faster than it should. So make sure you make use of this application, and it works on almost every website. Not every website, almost every website. So if this video helped you, smash like and share it to your friends. I will see you guys on the next one. Stay safe and peace.